This is a dashboard of our AI powered mining digital traceability platform. It serves as the command center of the entire mining operation, providing real time monitoring of production, fleet, safety, dispatch, and business performance on a single screen. This is the dashboard page. At the top, we display the mine basic information, including mine name, mine location, lease detail, mineral type, lease area, and lease expiry. We also highlight important business indicators such as peak grade, cameras, capacity, royalty percentage. This gives management a quick overview of mining site. The KPI card summarizes the mine's daily performance. They shows total mine, ROM grade, total dispatch, reconciliation loss, fleet utilization, on time dispatch. Green arrow indicate performance improvement while red arrow indicate area that need attention. As we come below, this is a production trend versus plan. This graph compare planned production with actual production over time. As you can see, this dotted line shows the planned production and this line shows the actual production. It helps manager monitor whether production target are being achieved and quickly identify any deviation from the plan. The value chain flow. The value chain flow track the movement of material through each stage of mining from pit extraction to haulage, crushing, stockyard, dispatch. This provide complete traceability of the mineral throughout the production process. This is the site detail. This is mine name. This is mineral, lease number, district, coordinate, lease area, lease expiry, royalty, royalty rate, royalty rate. This is a revenue intelligence. The revenue intelligence dashboard provide a financial overview by displaying daily revenue, fleet utilization, on-time dispatch, carbon emission per metric ton. These insights help management evaluate both operational and financial performance. This is the blast plan module displaying blast schedule for the next 24 hours. It includes blast timing, ex- bench location, number of drill holes, expected production, average fragmentation, powder factor, vibration limit. This help ensure safe and efficient blasting operation. This is fuel, power, and utilities for today's. This section monitor the daily consumption of diesel, electricity, recycled water, and explosives. It compare actual usage against target value and generate warning whenever consumption approaches predefined limits, helping optimize resource utilization. At the bottom, we provide a quick summary of operational health, including AI active cameras, open alerts, reconcile tones, and mining blocks. So this is the overall view of dashboard. Now the next module is the camera network module. This is the camera network module. Its main purpose is to provide real-time surveillance and AI-based monitoring across the mining site. At top, we display the KPIs, number of online cameras, camera under surveillance, active alerts, and fraud event detected by AI. The camera grid shows all installed camera with detail such as camera ID, location, live status, and the alerts. User can also search camera by its name and filter them according to their zone. This is our detection center. As you can see here, this is the AI fraud detection engine. Camera monitored, fraud event today, AI confidence average. This is a live fraud alert feed. As you can see, you need to resolve it. By clicking add camera button, you can also add camera. Here you have to put the camera name, location, pit, or which type of camera is it. So move towards the next module. It's a pit operation module. This module is responsible for monitoring all mining activity from taking place inside the pit, from drilling and blasting to ore extraction. At the top you can see total mines, active diggers, ROM grades, and efficiency. This KPIs helps supervisor track daily mining performance in real time. The log blast feature allow engineer to record new blasting activity. Here blast ID. Here you have to write the location, tonnage, grade, and the date. By clicking it, your record will be saved. This is a blast record table. It gives you the information about blast ID, location, tonnage, grade, status, and date. Moving toward the next module, haulage fleet. This is the haulage fleet module which is used to monitor and manage all vehicles transporting ore from pit to the crushing plant in real time. At top, the KPI displays active fleet, tonnage, total tonnage, transported average cycle, and fleet utilization. These metrics help manager evaluate transportation efficiency and vehicle performance. The live GPS map flip track real-time location of all mining vehicle using GPS technology. As you can see here, the green color shows the activeness, the red color shows the maintenance. Moving toward the next module, crushing plant. This is the crushing plant module which monitors and processing of extracted ore and the performance of crushing equipment. Its main objective is to ensure efficient processing with minimum downtime. At the top, the KPI displays processed material, recovery percentage, blended grade, and plant availability. This helps manager evaluate the overall efficiency of the crushing plant. This is the equipment status table, provide real-time information about each machine including equipment name, equipment type, operational status, throughput, availability, and last maintenance. Moving toward the next module, stockyard. This is the stockyard management module, which is responsible for managing and monitoring the inventory of processed ore before it dispatched to customer. This KPI displays total inventory, blended grade, high grade stock, and low grade stock. This helps manager to understand current stock availability and the ore quality. The inventory pile chart shows the quantity of material available each stockpile, while pile detail chart shows the piles, its category, volume, and ore gradation. Our next module is dispatch module. This is a dispatch management module which manages the transportation of process ore from stockyard to customer while ensuring timely delivery and quality assurance. This KPI shows the total dispatch, on time rate, active shipment, quality match. This is a shipment schedule table where it specifies the shipment ID, customer, volume, grade target, quality match, status, and schedule date. By clicking this new shipment button, you can also schedule the shipment. Next module is the reconciliation. This is a reconciliation and grade module which compare the expected and actual quantity of ore at every stage of mining process. Its main purpose is to identify material losses, maintain accurate records, and ensure complete traceability. Okay, the variance by stage chart shows the material difference between each stage, such as pit to crusher, crusher to stockyard, stockyard to dispatch. This helps identify where losses occur. The grade distribution chart display the percentage of high, medium, and low grade available. Below this detailed mass balance table compare the expected quantity with the actual quantity and calculate the variance for each stage. Moving towards the next module, quality and lab. This is the quality and lab module which is responsible for testing and maintaining the quality of ore collected from different stages of the mining process, including pit, crusher, stockyard, and dispatch. At top, you can see the KPIs card which displays total sample, pass rate, average iron grade, and pending samples and failed samples. This is a sample record table which shows the sample ID, zone, type collected by iron, silicon, aluminium, and its status and collected. By clicking it, you can directly jump towards the specific point like this. And by clicking this add sample table, you can also add your sample here. Moving towards the next module, it's RF tracking. RF location tracking page from a field vision system, a mining digital traceability platform, both underground and on the surface. So it's a real-time safety and asset tracking dashboard for mine operation, showing exactly where every tagged worker and piece of equipment is and flagging emergency or loss signal. As you can see, this is the emergency alert and this is signal lost alert. By using this alert, you can specify where is the emergency happened. And this KPI shows the total tags, active, emergency, signal lost, worker, and asset. By clicking all this, these are the filters you can take it and you can see different page. As you can see, if I click the pit, then it opens the pit. This is for all. This is for workers. This is for asset. This is for readers. This is for coverage. Moving towards the next module, shift log. This is a shift log page, a shift compliance and the time tracker log likely built for DGM. Tracks underground on-site time for each worker per shift. So basically it is an automated attendance, convert RF tracking data into shift by shift audit trial. As you can see here the date, this is shift 1, shift B, shift C. According to the shift, the data is changing. Okay, so this KPI shows the worker, they completed in shift, average time, compliances, validation. This is a worker detail table. According to shift wise, it is changing. It shows the worker, role, tag ID, entry exit, duration, UG time, max depth, zones, breaks status. compliance and notes. You can also download the CSV and print the export, or you can also export the PDF report. Our next module is analytics and reports. This is the analytics and reports module which provide a consolidated view of the mine's overall performance across production cost, sustainability and equipment health. Its main objective is to help manager track progress against target and identify area needing attention. At the top, the dashboard display KPI of monthly production target. This is overall OE, average shift efficiency, peak throughout, and average truck cycle. This KPI help manager to evaluate how efficiently the mine is operating against its goals. Below this, the page break shift performance breakdown according to shift. This is shift A, shift B, shift C. This is grade distribution. As you can see, if grade is 63%, then it is a high grade. If it is between 60 to 63%, it is a mid grade, and below the 60, it's a low grade. This is monthly OEE trend versus target chart. This is a shift comparison radar, production, dispatch, safety, efficiency, and quality. The line shows according to the shift color. Below this is a cost per ton breakdown in metric ton monthly. Like this is for drilling, blasting. Yellow shows the loading, hauling, crushing, overhead. And this is the total cost versus industry, EBITDA. And this is carbon intensity chart which shows the emission like scope 1, scope 2, emission reduction or offset planet. Below this is a revenue by shift in crores like shift 1, shift B, shift A, shift B by shift C. This is equipment performance and upcoming maintenance. So moving towards the next module. This is a stripping ratio calculator. This page is a calculator that helps decide the best way to mine. If you have to remove too much waste compared to ore digging from the open pit becoming too expensive. So it's better to switch underground mining instead of page. Like, as you can see is the input parameter, current mining method, open cast, underground or strip. According to this, the data will change. Here you can write your waste and ore volume. So it will calculate your ratio and it will shows the quick reference method switch threshold. As we go further, the next is environment and safety. This is the environment and safety monitor module which track real-time environmental condition and workplace safety compliance across the mine site. Its main objective is to ensure regulatory compliance and product worker health through continuous monitoring of air, as you can see, air, noise, water and dust. So this KPI shows LTI free days, near missed MTD, PPE compliance, safety inspection. This is the air quality 24-hour trend. This is the live reading where you can see here temperature, visibility, humidity, UV index. This is noise level according to different zone. This is water management, recycled, fresh, average day. This is dust control schedule. So moving towards the next module is a gas detection. This is the AI gas detection module which monitor hazardous gas level across high risk zone of the mine. Its main objective is to prevent gas related incident by providing early warnings and AI driven analysis. At top, It shows which kind of gases it shows. Okay, so this is a total sensor online available, one active warning and zero active critical. It AI suggests us something. Now this is sensor network. Here you can see different sensors for different gas. Our next module is the seismic monitoring. This is a seismic monitoring module which track ground activity around the mine site using a network of seismograph station with AI-driven earthquake risk prediction. Its main objective is to detect and assess seismic event early, distinguish normal operational vibration from genuine geological risk. At top, the KPI shows the station online, events, AI confidence. It is also predicting something, and this is a monitor station table where you can see station ID, location, zone status, and last magnitude and risk level. This is recent seismic events. The risk level is low. Next is the DGM compliance. This is a DGM compliance module which manages statutory and regulatory data required by the Director of Geological and Mining, Maharashtra, under the MMDR Act 2015. Its main objective is to ensure the mines stay compliant and lease environmental royalty and reporting obligation to avoid legal and operational penalty. At top, the KPI shows lease validity, royalty paid, DMF contribution, return filed. This KPI help manager track the site statutory standing at a glance. Below this is a lease and EC, royalty and APR, transit permit, inspections, statutory returns. According to this, the data is changing. Moving towards the next module is the shift handover module. Its main objective is to ensure continuity of operation by clearly communicating production status, pending issue, and equipment condition to the next shift. At the top, you can select which shift in which you are, like shift A, shift B, shift C. According to this, the data is changing. This is outgoing crew and incoming crew, shift production, shift event log, pending action for next shift, equipment handover, and below is the safety and compliance handover. Next module is the mind map module, which gives you information about the traceability. Like by clicking it, you can select any mining sites. So according to that site, the data will change. Okay, here is the buttons like all layer, cameras. As you can click here, the change will show here. As you can see, like cameras, active cameras, flat, blast, alerts. According to that, the changes will happen like live status. This is the camera alert. Below is a bench, great summary. Okay. Next is the alert module. This is the alert module. We serve as a centralized cross module event, log capture anomalies and incident detected across the entire site. Its main objective is to help manager quickly identify, prioritize and act issue before they escalate. At the top, you can see the page flag critical active alert with a prominent banner, and below this is a system alerts and insight table where you can see the severity of the alert like medium, high, low, critical, alert details, where it is happening, zone, time, status. By clicking it, you can also select the uh, alert severities and according to the zone. Our next module is a project plan module. This is a project plan module which outlines the implementation roadmap for deploying the field vision system across the mine site. Its main objective is to give stakeholder a clear phase view of the rollout timeline and expected business outcome. It shows implementation plan 20-day rapid deployment timeline. So according to the phase line divided, this is a discovery and analyze phase which gives 1 to 3 days. This is design and plan phase. This is the key task and what are the deliverables. Below it's a build and prototype, integration, integrate and validate, milestone review, deployed and optimize. Sorry for the inconvenience.